In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI adoption rate by industry from 2010 to 2025, an animated chart or the moving chart, something like this that you've seen. I'm going to show you how to create it completely from scratch. So let's say we play the animation and you can see the race bar chart. It is showing from 2016, 2017, and down to 2025. You can see which industry is changing and what percentage it is showing. So I'm going to show you how I created this using two AI tools, NotebookLM and Google Gemini. So let's go to NotebookLM and let's start from there. Once you log in, you can come to create a new project. Once you're here, we can come to discover sources, and then we can come over here to this search bar and just paste in this item and take a look at what I have said. Create an AI adoption statistics. So this AI adoption statistics by industry from 2010 to 2025, including finance, healthcare, retail, logistics, infrastructure. These are the industries and education that you should include. Make sure you have this enabled, and then you can go ahead and click on OK to this. And it's going to go ahead and search the web and even do a fast search to be able to come up with different kind of sources that we can include to create the content that we can use the Gemini to transform into a moving bar. Okay, so right now you can see it has generated the fast research completed. These are the sources that it has, including these 7 more sources. So we can just go ahead and click on import, and all of them are going to be added now to the main bar. Okay, so we can ask our subsequent questions. So these are all the sources that it has selected. You can see all of them have been imported in here. You'll be able to see how much sources are actually selected. Okay, so right now you can see it has adopted all the 10 sources that we have. You can see all the different summary of what it has included. So I want us to paste in this prompt. Okay, so this is what I wanted to do based on these sources and based on these summaries that it has imported. So we can just go ahead and click on this to have it generate the sources that we can copy and go into Google Gemini to create the moving bar chart. Okay, so you can see right now it has created a table with all of the needed information that we have, tabulated format, and then so we can just go ahead and copy this. And just go ahead and copy this, and then we can go back to Google Gemini. Of course, we can go to gemini.google.com. Can go ahead and paste it. You can paste in the text that you've copied, and then you can select canvas from tools here. You can select canvas, you can hold the shift and enter. So you can add this prompt. You can go ahead and add this prompt. Create an animated race bar chart showing AI adoption rates across major industries from 2010 to 2025. Include finance, healthcare, retail, logistics, manufacturing, and education. Make the bars move dynamically as the percentages change each year, with colors for each industry and a clear label for every year. Okay, so use the provided data set to generate the animation. Right, so you have this, and you can just go ahead and select on enter. And let's just give it some seconds to see what this is going to generate for us. And surprisingly, take a look at what it has generated. You can come down here, and so you'll be able to see the AI adoption rates by industry that have been created. So you can see it very, very detailed from 2010 up to 2025. Very detailed. You can go ahead and generate something like this to have it in your presentation. So please just go ahead and explore and see how you can use this combination of NotebookLM and Google Gemini to create your own moving animation for your charts and so on. So you can go ahead and be creative and use it to your content as you so wish. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of NotebookLM and Google Gemini to be able to create this wonderful moving bar chart of AI adoption rates by industry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.